All right. We got 419 in the battery.
Engine on.
Hij gaat vooruit, dat is al hoor. Dat ging hem net goed maken.
Haal him up.
Ja.
All right, right, left.
Stabilization on.
Well, it'll either fly or it won't fly. We're about to find out. It flies, Frank.
Had ik niet verwacht, Steve.
Nee.
Ja, als je maar weer goed in elkaar hebt. Ja. Wil je niet trimmen, Steve?
No, there's too much wind. I'll just fly it.
Ja, ik bedoel, vraagt hij niet om trim dan?
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, we haven't changed.
Nee, dat niet.
Wait on. Yeah.
En wel naar beneden, hè?
Okay.
Moet je optrekken.
Okay, there's hands off. Happy enough?
En het ding is, hoe heet het, die stabilisatievlucht?
Let's try a...
Doe je dat ook tegen?
Yep, self-level mode's okay.
Ja?
See?
Ja.
Stabilization on.
God, dat had ik niet verwacht.
Ik ook niet.
Dit had ik echt niet verwacht.
So I've got 2 4S for it.
Ja.
8 minutes.
Because this feels so slow, but I've got a 3000 instead of 2200, so it's
snelle vliegtuigen aan het vliegen is, Steve.
a lot of extra weight in it, but I didn't want to use any of your batteries up. So I put the 2 3000s out of the glider in.
Ja, maar je kan er gewoon de 3S erin zetten, of niet?
That is this 3S.
Oh, no, no,
Yeah, this is the remember the big ones, the 3000? I put that in because if I'd have crashed it straight off, we weren't going to use these batteries anyway.
Okay. Is it full power?
That is. Same as yours. On 3S it's just really slow and easy to fly.
Ja, het is een slooppook.
Yeah. Now I've got to get used to using a rudder again because I've been flying that other thing with no bloody rudder. So yeah, she's wobbly to take off and yours is exactly the same.
Ja. Nou, dat komt dat hij gewoon te weinig power heeft. Dat is allemaal goed.
Seems good.
Ja. Niet te geloven, die had ik niet verwacht.
No, ik ook niet.
En maar een heel klein beetje trim.
Yeah, only elevator, nothing else.
Ja. Ja, dat is gewoon niet te geloven.
Thank you very much. Oh yeah, I said I can't believe that's flying. I really thought with that motor like it was that it'd just roll over.
Box zo maken, Steven, pas weer de grond is opstaan.
Okay, time is set at 10, but we've only got a 3-cell 300, so it'll be interesting to see how long she goes. But it's flying again, which I didn't really expect it would do. After crash number 4, the thing is still flying. And the motor was so out of shape
5 minutes.
Denk je? Ja. Ja, ik kan. Nee, hier is gewoon een kop.
4 minutes.
Okay, touch and go.
Minutes.
Pak hem even, hè?
Yeah, mate.
Kan jij de bochten niet langzaam, dat die rare...
That's full power all the time.
Ja. Dat hebben we nog niet gehad, hè?
No, but this has got the bigger battery in it. Plus, she's got a hell of a lot more glue and paint on it now.
Ah, maar dat
Yeah, it does. It makes you can feel it, mate. With the bigger battery in, I'm running at full throttle to do what I normally used to do on half.
Full rate.
Full everything.
Maar goed,
You watch this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nowhere near as quick as what it was. Yet we haven't changed anything on the wing, except we've added.
Ja, hij draait nog goed, hè?
Yep. Yeah, the elevator always works
En de
good.
loopings.
Not a problem. But they're just, everything's a bit slower, but it could be I'm used to 4S as well. If you get up enough power. But I see I'm on full.
Dat is wel erg laag bij de grond, dit wat je nou doet, hè?
Yeah, but I'm used to the elevator on this one. If I can't, let's see here, that's all full power.
Ja.
3.74.
Ja, maar je bent gewend aan die snelle nou.
Yeah.
Dan vind je dit toch al te langzaam, hè?
Yeah, I'm got to be very careful with it.
Ja, ja, ja.
Okay, landing. Getting better.
Yo, even niet meer vliegen. Ja, go, go.
Well, that